Hello, my name is Ben, and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris, where we're basically counting down the days until we can attack people. I don't know if we're going to be able to go after these guys in our next point of going after folks. Our next, what's it called? The next time we're in charge of the place. Oh, hey, hang on. That's new. All of a sudden we have access to a couple more systems. That's new. Okay, cool. Real quick. Let's just let's let someone else deal with this. Yeah, the next time we're president, we will definitely be going to war with probably everybody who's not a fallen empire. Maybe that's what we do next. What do we do in Florida? Florida, why don't you have this? And then what's this? Actually, Florida, why don't you just take over this area here? Like, just take it all. Or did you already? Yeah, you did. Okay, cool. Good Florida. Good Florida. You're an even weirder shape now. Good stuff. Okay. And we are now contiguous, actually. With the exception of that spot right there. It's all red all around here. Now, we can't get all the way around there because we have... at least not without going through our allies' territories. And that's really the reason why I'm not leaving the Federation. Is because we want to be able to access all of our stuff, and we wouldn't be able to do that otherwise. So, in our last episode, we took back, or we recolonized this planet, Verona. And until that is finished colonizing, I'm just going to keep our armies here. Now, once our armies are, once this whole thing is finished up here, I'm going to actually start moving my armies down into, especially the Korean area, being prepared to just go to war with pretty much everyone. Pretty much everyone. Yeah, we might as well just let that go. In the last episode, or after the last episode, I upgraded a bunch
Ships
of
upgraded.
My
Construction complete.
my designs. Mostly, I mean, some of them don't change very much, especially the corvettes. But once we hit the destroyers, and especially like the cruisers and stuff, our cruisers and battleships are now a little bit more survivable thanks to a new tech, the higher, what's it called? The 0-point power tech. So that's nice. And then soon we're gonna have to throw in some impulse thrusters, and then sometime after that we're gonna have to do advanced combat roles. There's just always something fun to do with our ships. I actually like that aspect of the game. I think it's fun. Something I want to do. So that's subspace snare on our battleships. Our battleships can have this can have these modules. Subspace snare, jump, charge time, so they can't leave quickly, and their speed is down. What else is available? So that is shield dampener. What's this? Monthly hull regeneration. I don't really want to deal with that. So we have a couple, like the lightning cannons of the subspace snare. Torpedoes also have the subspace snare. Heavy hitter should probably actually switch to shield dampener. Yeah, let's do it. Yes, overwrite. And then let's make sure that you're gonna upgrade. Already being upgraded. Excellent. Okay. Already being upgraded, and you upgrade. Okay, cool. Alright. Construction ships just finished some stuff, but they're still busy. Man, busy construction ships. Good to see. Now the problem with that, of course, is that we are going to have to... I wonder what our next presidential mandate is going to be, you know? How are our allies doing on military power? Pathetic. Good job. Good job. Big Blue Blob, what do you got? inferior, okay, but their fleet power is equivalent, so that's something. Teutonics. Oh, you have... That's interesting. That's a Castilian. You're inferior. Good job. Byzantines. You were right there with us last time. Please tell me... Nope. Fleet power is equivalent, though. But our fleet capacity is gargantuan. Okay, what's this? Trade treaty with the Union of Ulm Sons. Oh, I know which one that one was. I know exactly what this was. Guys, won't you join our little crew? You should talk to these guys. You should talk to the Unholy Axis folks. Or whoever's in charge. Who is in charge? Yeah, the big blue blob. Don't worry. When it's my turn, I will accept you in. Let's go offer trade deal. Migration access. We already have that. I think... monthly transfer. Yeah. Let's do that. Oh. Okay. There was another thing I wanted to do, but I don't think we can offer trade deal. I think it's actually non-aggression pledge. Yeah. Okay. Must be bordering. Okay, never mind. Never mind. So we released these guys in a trade deal, or in a peace deal. Next time, we're releasing folks who are bordering us so that we can actually vassalize them. Because that's the reason they won't vassalize. It's because they don't border us. Oh, it's a colony ship. Okay, colony ship. Venetian Superior. You need to go someplace continental. Crud. Oh, continental. That's fine. That'll be just fine right there. Colonize planet. Right there. Alright. Just to get that out of the way. Excuse me. Still making more money than we know what to do with. In fact, we are very soon going to be hitting our energy credit cap. Complete. That would kind of suck. What did you finish? Oh, nice. Build. Ooh. Construction ship. Miuchi. Wow. We have a lazy construction ship. It has been a while since that has been the case. What are you gonna do? Ooh, I know. Build mining stations. Yes. Yes. Oh, and another thing I wanted to do, actually, on Venezia. This makes perfect sense. Surface. Hang on. Ugh, yeah. Power plant 3. Replace with Therian Power Plant 1, and then we'll upgrade that. Where's the other one? I know there's another one. Yep, Power Plant 3, replace the Therian Power Plant 1. Ugh. Stupid happiness modifiers. Okay. Are you upgrading? Yes, you are. Ooh, new campaign. Or campaign for a new president.
Construction complete.
Orbital researcher, off-world miner, repatriator, repatriator. Yep, that figures. More sabotage. Sabotage is pretty standard. Oh, that's right. I have to actually give away my money. Empire. Who needs money? You do. Here you go. Florida have some money. Paros have some cash. Yeah, Zara, here, have more money. I wonder what he used that for. He had like 4,000 or 5,000, and then it went down. One of the weird things about money is that you don't really spend it. necessarily, though. Actually, we might be able to do a little bit of that here. Who are our pop factions with high support? Aztec and Korean. Okay. Korean Homelanders. We only have one person. Aztecs. Okay. Manage faction. Let's suppress some media. Oh yeah, let's spend a bunch of money on that. Ooh, attraction is... Wait, hang on. What is this? This is attraction, and this is supporters. Interesting. Okay. So this one has 32 supporters, and it's now at minus 12 attraction. Okay. We're not doing Integration Campaign 3. That's a lot of influence. Here's the thing, Aztecs. First off, you're not even Aztecs. You're a different species that got conquered by the Aztecs, and then we're told that you can't do anything. In my empire, you get to vote. In fact, you can even be president. In fact, I don't know if you noticed this, but one of your own species is, in fact... Ooh, spaceport build cost, spaceport module cost, good stuff. One of your own species is, in fact, in charge of, or as a candidate to be president. So there you go.
Ships upgraded.
Thank you.
Construction complete.
Okay, when the Teutons are in charge of
updated.
our Federation, at that point we'll start moving stuff into place. Actually, I might as well do that first. Fourth Fleet, come down here. A lot of what's going to happen is going to happen right down in here. Come there. You're not quite ready. You come upgrade. You come upgrade. Okay. So we have a new president. I'll take a look at that in a second. They have an orbital research mandate. Interesting. Okay. So I may have actually kind of screwed us over a little bit by overproducing orbital research stuff. But that's okay. Yeah, I'm not even sure we can complete that mandate. Because we built so many orbital research platforms. Oops. I know, like, it's an interesting time when, oops, I accidentally improved our place too much. I accidentally improved our empire too much. Now we have now it's a problem. Yep. Okay. Well, that's kind of too bad. So we're gonna miss out on some of that, but that's okay. So, who is this person? That's not at all what I wanted. Okay. Sebastian. Oh, same guy. Interesting. Sebastiano Corniola. He just keeps getting elected. Good stuff. Investor energy credits plus 10%, and still in the Corvette focus, which is not super ideal. That's okay. We just won't build that many Corvettes now. We're going to build primarily bigger stuff. We're going to want a few more... what are they called? We're going to want a few more battleships, for instance. And some cruisers. That's not what I wanted. What was this trade deal? Wasn't research agreement because... Ah, migration access. Yes. Okay. How much money do I gotta give you? There we go. 6 money per turn. Actually, let's turn that down a bit. Because we have... No, let's use money. In fact, Yeah, let's use money. Like, let's sweeten the deal just a little bit. There we go. Okay, cool.
Colony established. Research complete.
Okay, this colony is now established. Very good. It's about freaking time. Oh, research complete. Don't let me forget that. Impulse thruster. Oh, that's going to change everything. Not change everything so much, but it's going to change some things. Oh, here's a good question. Okay, we have a lot of good options here. What does a flak battery look like? Gun batteries that fire area effect shrapnel rounds at close range. They are particularly lethal to enemy strike craft, but can also inflict damage on larger ships. Improved fighter wings. I don't know that we're going to invest in that quite yet. Flak battery. The alternative is Stormfire autocannon, although that's going to take a while. These Marauder missiles are going to take a lot of time. Flak battery is still a lot of time. So the Stormfire autocannon, how long is that? 97 months. Wow. I think our best option is, in fact, the flak battery. That's interesting. I'm trying to think about how we're going to deploy these, though. Let's just do it and see what happens. Okay, 64 months. It's a good long while. All right. Okay, armies. Let's go. Hey, not FunCon. Well, armies first. Come down and enter orbit. Enter orbit. Thank you. Now, Murano, I have a job for you. FunCon? Build more armies. Oh, hey, clear that. There we go. You get an attachment. Psi-warriors. Oh, so good. Oh, nothing like bringing telekinetic mutants into your army with you, right? All right, especially when they are super strong already, just because of their biology.
Complete.
Yeah, the amount of minerals we're getting per month is going down primarily, I think, because of our maintenance. Ship mineral maintenance is pretty good. My Lepanto, what are you doing? Excuse me. Can I upgrade anything? Not anything really great. Nah. Oh, hey, hang on. Oh, Engineering Facility 3, yeah, do that. Excuse me. Ah, there we go. Venezia upgrade. Betharian Power Plant 2. Good stuff. Yes. Okay. Let me go zip through my surface queues real quick here a little bit. Toledo. Anything to upgrade? No. You're pretty unhappy, aren't you? Your ethics divergence is pretty crap, too. So we're probably going to let Toledo go at some point soon. And not FunCon. You're good. Okay, cool. Cannot wait to take a seal out. I don't know why the Serene Republic of Venice moved like that. The name, it needs to be right in the middle here. Just beautifully in the middle. Yeah, once we take Castile and Wasegi, it'll be fine. What? Okay. I saw a colony ship. I was wondering what the heck that was about.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
Ships upgraded. Excellent. Where are you? You're over there. Okay. Come on over to Ibloranda. upgrade these guys. Now upgrade these guys. What are these yellow dudes?
Construction complete.
Placid Leviathans. Yep.
Research complete.
Pleo, what are you doing? Level 3 upgrade. Excellent. Research complete. Oh, what's this? Arid world. We are actually going to do something about that. New research. We're not ever going to do this Form Federation tech. Artificial moral codes also doesn't give us anything. I think we're just going to go hostile environment adaptation. No. No. Okay, naval capacity upgrade. Hopefully, because what I'm looking for now is the terraforming tech that will allow us to do that will allow us to do colonies on 2 worlds. Give me a research station there. We might make this mandate, but I kind of doubt it at this point. Alright. Oh, I never noticed this before. Koter has 2 money, 2 mineral, and 2 of each type of research. Good stuff. Construct ship, Descano. What are you doing? Come on over here and build. Ooh, hey. Nope. Never mind. Can't do it. I guess just build a mining station. I have a question. How can we settle this world? They're already on the way. Wrong one. Okay, so we would want it to be... Who do we have that's arid world? Actually, that's a good question. I think it kind of says it if you go here. So, Phagentris. Byzantine. Oh, okay. I didn't realize we had Byzantines. So here's the real question. Where are our Byzantines? Do we have... Okay, where would our Byzantine... If I were a Byzantine, where would I be? That's continental. You guys are continental, okay. I wonder, actually... Toledo. I gave them adaptive, and I gave them desert. So they can do arid. I'll just do that and let the Byzantines come over. Oh, hey. Let's do... First things first. Let's build us a colony ship. And let's have it be... Okay, we don't have any Xenophiles, but we do have Individualist, Militarist, Spiritualists, which is fine. Let's go for a level 5 spaceport upgrade. And then let's go for... Destroyer assembly yards. Okay. So we will soon have a lazy colony ship. I need to remember that. And I need to send my lazy colony ship where it belongs. Oh, spaceport of Paros. Wow. Paros did something. Good job, guys. Here, have a level 4 spaceport.
Ships upgraded.
It's gonna be a little bit before we go after Wakegi, and I think it's gonna be because we're still... Yeah, their tech is still super great. We're gonna have to steal other people's tech. It's gonna be a little while before we can go to war with them. That's really too bad. Okay, Venezia. What is this? Where does it say Iroquois consciousness right there? That's definitely... It's definitely my world. Okay. Upgrade that. Spaceport. You know, I think you're probably gonna be okay. Doing what you doing. Let's get a few more lightning guns. No, we can build lightning guns. Now let's do a couple of lightning guns. And some lightning destroyers. There we go. Oh, nice. That blew a lot of our minerals. Good stuff. Third fleet. Ah, Ibleranda. Excellent. Perfect. A lot of our fleets have arrived where I want them to. Spaceport of Nafgon. Oh, nice. Excellent. Give me more. I'd say give me more, but we're out of money. So that's okay. On that note, let's go forward just a little bit.
Upgraded. Construction
wait
complete.
until this colony ship comes out. Nah, it's gonna be a little while
Upgraded.
before that colony ship
complete.
comes out. You're not done upgrading yet. It only takes 56 minerals. How come it's taking so long to upgrade this boat? Zoldiore. Come on over to Ibleranda. Ooh. That's a lot of boats. Merge. Nice. 31k fleet. We're just gonna rip some folks apart with that. Oh, so good. And the invasions, the land invasions, we have giant titans. We got all kinds of good stuff. Oh, yes. Yes. It's good. It's good to be set. It's good to be set. That's for sure. Build the mining station. And then build the mining station, and then build another mining station. Huh.
Construction complete.
When should we end this episode? It's gonna take a little while before we get our next tech. But yeah, we're working on it. The Wakegis still have far too much technology for my taste.
Construction complete.
But the number of ships they have is not overwhelming, and that is nice. That is nice. Well, on that note, I think we're going to call it there. We have successfully recolonized this area that got so horrifically stolen from us. We have the same president. It's still the same president. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Sebastiano Corniola. He's level 4. And he is, how old? He's 101 years old. You know, quite frankly, that's working out for us. Working out. I like what he's doing for us. In fact, our energy credits are going to go way down once he... Oh, yeah, that's true. They're going to go way down once he leaves. We're going to have to start taxing a little bit more. Taxing our sectors. But we won't have to deal with that quite yet. We will have to deal with that next episode. Unfortunately, you know what? I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time.